Hello there, thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Fola and here is my very first video on this channel, Go with Fola. And on this channel, I'll be sharing with you different ways to make money online. These are ways that I have personally tested and verified. So be rest assured, I'm not going to bring to you things that don't work, right? Also, we'll be talking about different AI tools, how to use different AI tools and how we can leverage upon them to create ourselves additional source of income. Thirdly, we'll be talking about remote jobs, how to get remote jobs, how to put your CV together, LinkedIn optimization, and everything in between. So if this kind of content interests you, I would advise you subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell so that you will be notified anytime I post a new video. Also, if you know anyone who will be interested in this kind of content, I would advise you share the video with them. Let's grow together. Let's connect, let's build a community together and make 2025 an amazing year for ourselves. Thank you once again, and I'll see you all in my next video.